Stars Learning TV.
Welcome to our car wash adventure today. We're going to learn all about how cars are cleaned step by step together. We will explore each part of the car wash process, from rinsing off dirt to adding soap, scrubbing, and drying. So let's begin this exciting journey at the sparkling wheels car wash.
Before we begin, let's talk about why car washing is important. Why do we wash cars? Cars travel through many places: muddy roads, dusty streets, and rainy puddles. All this can make them dirty, which is not just messy, it can also damage the car's paint. So regular cleaning helps keep the car in good condition and make it look bright and beautiful. Now that we can understand why washing is important. Wow, that was Vicky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. We wash rinse. The first step in the car wash is called the pre-wash rinse. We spray the car with clean water to remove loose dirt, leaves, or mud. This step prepares the car for a deeper clean later. Let's turn on the water and begin rinsing each vehicle from top to bottom and front to back. Wow, that was Vicky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Soapy wash. Next, we add special salt that creates thick foam. The foam helps to break down the dirt that's stuck on the car surface. It's important to use gentle car salt that won't harm the car's paint. Look at all those bubbles. Now we will let the foam sit for a moment so it can do its job. Each car is getting covered from roof to tires with soft, bubbly foam. Wow, that was Vicky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Scrubbing. Now it's time to scrub. Using big soft brushes and sponges, we gently clean every part of the car. We start with the roof, then move to the window, doors, and wheels. Scrubbing helps remove sticky spots and tough stains. This is one of the most important steps to make the car sparkle. Wow, that was Vicky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Second rinse. After scrubbing, it's time for a second rinse to remove all the soap. We use fresh water to rinse the entire vehicle carefully. You will notice the soap disappearing and the colors of each car shining through again. Make sure no bubbles are left behind. We want the car to be completely clean. Wow, that was squeaky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Drying process. Now that the cars are clean and wet, it's time to dry them. Drying is the most important because water left on the car can leave spots. We use warm air dryer to blow the water away. Some car washes also use soft cloths to gently dry the surfaces. Wow, that was squeaky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Final check and polishing. Our final step is to check for any missed spots and give the car a little extra shine. The polish helps protect the paint and gives the car a smooth, glossy finish. Wow, that was squeaky clean and super cool. Let's see what next at our car wash school. Interior cleaning. The inside of the car needs cleaning too. First, we vacuum the seats, the floor and under the mats. The vacuum goes vroom vroom and suck up all the dust. We also wipe the dashboard and the windows from the inside. With a clean cloth and a little spray, we make them shine like new. We even spray a fresh scent inside. Wow, that was squeaky clean and super cool. Let's see what's next at our car wash school. Which type of car we can use for washing? A truck, an ice cream truck, a car, a garbage truck, a van, a police car, a bus.
Great job, kids. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.